is it an AC drive? How about an inverter? Or do we call them VFDs? The answer is yes. Variable frequency drives go by many names, but they all do the same thing: turn and position a shaft of AC induction motors. This allows technicians to convert standard AC motors to variable speed applications by simply inserting a VFD into the process. Current advancements in variable frequency drive technology means maintenance and engineering managers are taking a closer look at life cycle costs as they study the KPIs that can save them money. With AC induction motors driving such ordinary equipment, such as pumps and fans, there's ample opportunity to introduce the potential benefits of varying motor speed by using a VFD. Studies have shown that incorporating variable speed drives into these types of applications can reduce energy consumption by up to 50% by matching motor speed requirements to the changing load conditions and system requirements. If you have any questions about variable frequency drives or VFDs, please reach out to your local Scott Equipment Company account manager or email sales@scotteq.com. We will be happy to answer any questions you have.